Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to eject CDs and DVDs from the menu bar on your Mac OS device. So this should be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is go ahead and open up System Preferences down in the dock. So go ahead and left click on that. Select CDs and DVDs, so go ahead and left click on that too. And then where it says show eject in menu bar, go ahead and check mark that. And now you see there's a little eject button up here in the menu. So if you go ahead and left click on that, you see there's a little upward arrow. So if you go ahead and left click on that, you actually will go and eject that from your DVD drive. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.